Is there a relationship that keeps you up at night? Someone at work or even at home that when you think about them, your blood pressure rises, your body tenses, your teeth clench, and you feel everything from mild annoyance to rage to hopeless or powerless? That's the conflict I can help you with. Hi, my name is Aly Pain and I am the conflict coach. I've been helping people just like you respectfully resolve confidential and expensive conflict situations at work and at home for the last 10 years. Sometimes it's happening right at home. You rarely get a meal together while juggling schedules and trying to organize anything feels like a gong show. The only conversations you have are yelling out of frustration or breaking up arguments, and no one listens to anyone. Many of my clients are entrepreneurs who are passionate about what they do and have decided to go it on their own. They quickly decide that loving what they do and running a business are two different things. They're tired and frustrated. Their team has a destructive culture, no real systems or processes, which squeezes out profit, and leadership is lacking. Corporations that struggle with a negative or toxic culture have expensive CEO successions, high attrition, they don't meet goals, they have no strong vision or strategy to engage their workforce behind, and suffer in siloed thinking. Staff are afraid to speak up for fear of being ridiculed or their manager ignoring their great ideas anyway. From your home to the boardroom, my transformational relationship coaching provides you with the clarity and communication skills that you need to create and engage the team that you want. Are you ready to end this conflict and get a good night's sleep? Call me, the conflict coach, and let's get started.